Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is mechatronics. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is mechatronics? Mechatronics is a multidisciplinary field that refers to the skill sets needed in the contemporary advanced automated manufacturing industry. At the intersection of mechanics, electronics, and computing, mechatronics specialists create simpler and smarter system. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what this mechatronics is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.